Welcome back to Excel formatting. Today we're going to be talking about this little guy right here. Merge and center, and possibly get into some wrapping text. So, with this merge and center, as we can see, we have merge and center, merge across, merge cells, and unmerge. Unmerge is just the undo. Start off simply. We're going to have text. As we can see, it kind of goes into this next one. One thing we can do is just move it over. Sometimes we need to do this though. It's called merge and center. As you can see, as I use the arrows to go up, I'm just on this D cell or D row column, sorry. Now it takes up both cells because they are officially one cell now. And you see, the rest are just one. They are combined. Now, pretty simple. Where this does get confusing though, let's say do this. Ooh, sorry, meant to do something else there. As you see, you can do multiple. You can even take this. You can take it down, do many. Simple as that. One issue, meant to do this last time, is, let's say if I go merge and center. Oop, meant to go over there. That's fine. As you can see, this little pop-up shows it will only keep the left hand. As you can see, it got rid of the and center. It just keeps the merge. So when doing this, keep that in mind because that will screw you over. And it is no fun. And when it happens to me, I always get very upset. Now, some of these others, I'm going to take it across so we can see it more clearly. Oop. You can simply re-click it as well instead of going in here to unmerge. Merge cells just leaves it right where it's at. Merge across. Probably because I have to unmerge it. Interesting. I thought that takes it across. Wonder if. Yep. Merge across just takes it to the point all the way over. And then you can just move it throughout there wherever you want as well. So I tend to just leave the merge and center because then you can just move it where you need. Now another thing here with, I'm going to start typing a bunch of nonsense just so we can show it. You can see it's taking up a bunch of cells. Go like this, merge and center. And then if this one cell is longer, or even I believe it also works this way, merge and center. See how it does that? If we do wrap text, then it puts it all into that one cell. So nothing in there is past or beyond. It is all just there waiting. And if some of it happens to go low because it's worried about the right and the left side, you simply just have to drag and pull it down until it shows everything. That is the end of this video for merge and center, and then as well as getting into wrap text. I hope this video has been helpful, and I will see you in the next video.